How to add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile. So in order to add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile, firstly, launch your Discord app on your device. And then you need to simply sign into a particular account first of all. Now tap Profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Gear at top right corner of the screen to access your settings page. When you scroll to the bottom, you will see Logout option. So simply remember that firstly you have to log out from this particular existing account, then only you'll be able to log into the another account. There is no any direct way to add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile. Simply tap Logout button, and here you have to select the logout button. After that, this existing account will be logged out, and again you can easily log into another particular account on Discord Mobile. So that is how we add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile. This video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.